Greetings everyone, and welcome to this video on reporting your results for binary classification. Building on the previous three videos, we will now report our test results regarding the diagnosticity of our new test, which detects serum cholesterol levels as compared to the previous gold standard test. The prevalence of hypercholesterolemia, as defined by a serum cholesterol level of more than or equal to 200 mg per deciliter, or the probability that the condition is positive is 0.491. The sensitivity of our new diagnostic test, or the probability that the test is positive given that the condition is truly positive, is 0.729. The specificity, or the probability that the test comes back negative given that the condition is truly negative, is 0.780. The positive predictive value, or the condition probability that the condition is positive given that the test result comes back positive, is 0.762. And the NPV, or the probability that the condition is negative given that the test result comes back negative, is 0.748. The accuracy of our new diagnostic test, or the proportion of the population that is true positive or true negative, is 0.755. All of these values can be obtained just by looking at this statistics table right here. The receiver operating characteristic curve, or the ROC curve, illustrates the diagnostic ability of the binary classifier when this threshold is varied. That is, it shows the trade-off between sensitivity and specificity. This gray point is the actual location of our new test, with the dashed line indicating 95% credible intervals. The estimates plot also illustrates the diagnostic ability of our new test with regard to various parameters, with uncertainty denoted by the 95% credible intervals. Thus, we have seen that JASP provides an excellent interface to quantify the diagnostic ability and yield of a test. Thanks for watching.